Hello, welcome to Daily Conversations. This is Lesson 5. Get a phone number. 申请手机号。申请 means apply. 手机 means cell phone. 号 means number. 申请手机号 Get a phone number.There are two words I would like to let you know. The first one is 移动电话 means cell phone or mobile phone. The 移动 is mobile, okay? Means movable. Phone 电话. In contrast with the mobile phone, we have landline phone.In Chinese, we call it 固定电话. 固定 means fixed, not mobile. So, landline phone. 固定电话. We call cell phone 手机. 手 means hand. 机 means machine.Cell phone, 手机. The next word is 座机 means landline phone. 座 means a seat. So a machine sit there, don't move, means landline phone. 座机. And usually in our daily life, most of people start use just 手机, and some family apply for landline phone for the old people, but most of the family gave up landline phone, except in the office. Here I will introduce how are you going to apply a cell phone number. In China, there are 3 big mobile phone companies.Not like in US, you have many different companies, big ones like AT&T or T-Mobile, or you have also small phone company. In China, you have 3 big ones. They occupy the whole market. The first one called China Mobile, 中国移动. So as you know, China, 中国移动 means mobile.中国移动. Second company is 中国联通 China Unicom. 中国联通. The third one's China Telecom. 中国电信. These 3 companies cover the whole country.And you can buy them in any place inside of China. And the signal is different, depending on different location. Wherever you go, you can ask for your friend which company is the best in that area. 中国移动, 中国联通, 中国电信. 中国 means China.Okay, let's again use Tom as an example. He is going to one of these shops to buy a telephone number, and of course a phone is necessary. So any shop has this logo, you can go in and request. Some of the shop, you can get a number for all of these 3 different companies, and some of the shop, they are special just for one of these companies.Okay, Tom go into one of the shop, whichever it is, and ask, Hi ma'am, I want to buy a phone number. In Chinese, 女士 means ma'am. 我想买个手机号. We have said 手机 means cell phone, 号 means number. Here there's a new word, buy. buy. And this one, 个 means one. It's a mirror word. Like we said, one apple. In Chinese, they say 一个苹果 one. You have to have this mirror word in front of something. You can also say 买一个. Of course, you can also do not use one here because when you say 买个, it means one. If you want to buy two, you can say 买两个. Okay, then the people in the shop ask, do you have your own phone? Your own, yourself. Here is a new word. 自己 yourself, your own, 自己. You want to say yourself, 你自己. You want to say myself, my own, 我自己. Here the word you means have. 好的，您 This is a respect way to say you. Usually when you go to this service company, they say 您 for respect. 您有自己的手机吗？ Cell phone. Do you have your own phone? No, I don't. 不 means no. I don't have. 没有. So when you say I have, 我有. When you want to say I don't have, means opposite of have. You say 没有. 没 means nothing. I need buy a new phone. 我需要买个新手机。Or he can say 我需要买一个新手机 one. I need buy a new phone. 不，我没有。我需要买个新手机。I need a new phone. Then the person in the shop asks, do you want to call internationally? Here, internationally means 国际. So overseas, out of China. In Chinese, 您想打国际长途吗? So here, we say 打电话 call means call. Here, when you say 打 combined with telephone means call. Of course, 打 has other meaning like beat somebody. Okay, or play basketball. They use the same word. 打 长途 means long distance. 长 means long. 途 means distance. 您想打国际长途吗? No, I don't. So 不 Again, when you want to say no, you say 不. I do not need. So when you want to say I don't want to do that, you say 不 in front of the word. Here is different. We said in last slide, 我没有 means I don't have. In this place, we add a 没 in front. Right? Here, when you want to say I don't want to do something, you put 不 in front of the word. 您想打国际长途吗? 不，我不需要。 So if you want to use this international call, then you can ask them, you apply for that. Of course, if you call directly through the telephone, it's going to be expensive. Okay, please show your passport. You have to show your photo ID. 好的，请出示您的护照。出示 show passport 护照。This is the important word. Passport 护照。You want to go to a hotel, you want to buy a telephone number, or you want to open a bank account, you need to bring your passport with you. 好的，请出示您的护照。Then, please choose your phone number or select your phone number. 请选择您的电话号码 phone number. Here, 选择 choose or select. 选择 You can decide you just select whatever number you like. Or you want a special number which has a very good meaning. You have to pay extra money to get this number. For example, you have a lucky number you want to have in your phone. You may need to choose something and pay for it. Then the person in the shop is going to ask you which package would you like to choose. 您想选择哪种套餐? As I mentioned in the previous video, the question word in English at the beginning of the sentence, but in Chinese it's usually in the middle, in front of the word it comes with. So here, it's still the order. You start with subject, with the verb, and then include the question. So here the red means 哪种. 种 means which type, which kind, which package. 哪种套餐. Here, 套 means set. 餐 in Chinese, it means meal. Like you go to fast food. They ask you, do you want a meal or you just want a hamburger? So here, when you combine a set together with meal, it means package. So you can go to a restaurant and tell them you want a 套餐. No problem, it's correct. Also, you can use the same word in other place. For example, here, for the telephone service. So, 您想选择哪种套餐? Which package? 哪种套餐? After that, Tom also want to buy a new phone. So, the people will ask, which phone would you like to choose? So, in English, you just change the package to phone, right? The same for Chinese. You just replace 套餐 with phone. Say, 您想选择哪种手机, right? Which cell phone you want to select. Again, it goes back to the sentence we have learned in the previous video. Person in the shop will ask Tom, how would you like to pay? 您想怎么付? Again, Tom won't pay with cash. 我想付现金 cash. How much? Tom asked. It's a shortened sentence. You don't say a full sentence in English. And it's the same for Chinese. He can just say in Chinese, 多少钱? How much? 多少 means how much. 钱 means money. So you can also just say 多少. Not very good to say that. You just say 多少钱. Okay, then the people from the shop will answer 1,850 yuan. Yuan is the unit for the Chinese currency. 1,850 yuan. It says thousand, 千, hundreds, 百. So you just combine all of the individual characters related to the meaning, then you will get the number. 1, right? 1,000, 850. 5 plus a 10 is 50 yuan. 1,850 yuan. Okay, so this is the way you'll say how much you're going to pay for that. Okay, here you go, thanks. Tom said, okay, 好的，给您，谢谢. You can put money, 钱 in here, or you can don't say that, just say 给您. The shop people say, thank you, goodbye. 谢谢您，再见. This is something we will always use. And I appreciate you watch my video, and please recommend to your friend. And of course, I will be very happy if you subscribe my channel. Bye.